Hello, welcome to Jennings Harley-Davidson in Gateshead, home of Harley-Davidson in the Northeast. My name's Samantha and today I am bringing you a 2018 CVO Street Glide, and this is in the stunning two-tone orange lava and black denim colour. This is the pinnacle of custom touring and it's fully packed with Harley-Davidson's most powerful engine. So starting at the front of the bike, we have the black and contrast chrome talon wheels with dual braking discs. To the top, we have the bright LED headlights and turn signals. We also have heated hand grips on either side, so you can guarantee to keep you warm during those colder riding days. As well as this, the CVO also comes packed with the boombox audio system, complete with sat-nav and radio entertainment system. As well as this, we also have got a USB port so you can charge your phone. With a two-up rider and passenger setup, the CVO also boasts contrast orange stitching throughout and on the pillion pad. We have the colour matching lockable panniers on either side, so you can guarantee that your belongings will be stored securely. As well as this, we also have the built-in speakers on either side. Powering all this, we have the all-new Harley-Davidson Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, so you can guarantee optimal performance during those longer journeys. If you'd like a look at this bike, then please give us a call for all latest offers. Thank you.